Hey wig lovers, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new sewing machine. All right, so if you want to see me unbox this new sewing machine, please stay tuned. All right, if you're a wig lover or you make wigs for yourself, be it for business or for personal use, all right, and you want to upgrade your tools, okay, stay tuned. Why, let me unbox this machine. Even me, I'm hoping that I'm getting the best, and then if it's something that is the best, I would definitely recommend for you. But for now, my mouth is sealed, so let us unbox together and then we decide together. All right.
Bestie, I see you in the building.
So over here it came with this is the button foot. Yeah, I think so. This is the button foot, and this is the zipper foot to put on the zip. And over here we have yeah, our bobbin thread or whatever. Yeah. So was basically what it came with, and it came with this key and then a needle. That was basically what it is. So apparently this was the only thing they left inside. Okay, this was the only thing they kept inside. Okay, I was expecting so many goodies, don't mind me. I even get I was expecting so many goodies, but this was the only thing I saw inside. Okay, the needle, the pedal, and all of that. I think yeah, with the bobby pin. Okay, I mean a bobby whatever bobby thread. Okay, and then the almighty machine. In here I have, I think, the power cord. Okay, I have the power cord and I also have the pedal. This is the pedal and this is the power cord, and this is our machine. Okay, this is a brother, the name of the machine. Okay, this is a brother JX17FE. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. Time to open. Okay, what fell down? This was what fell down, so I don't think it's important. Okay, and yeah, aside from the manual, I brought out the first. Okay, I think this is for instruction or whatever, or maybe for safety instruction, because I can actually see another manual here. So this is the manual, I guess. Now initially I was thinking it is something I would do in one video, but to avoid making this video long, what I will do is, if you want me to see me want to see me test this machine, okay, yeah, you want me to test it live for you, just leave it in the comment section. I'm going to do a video again to yeah, test this machine. But this is what actually what it came with. Just, yeah, these items, the pedal, the power cord, and the machine itself. And it's not heavy, it's quite light. Okay, I'm going to be testing it. That's if you want, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be testing it with the wig cap, the dome mesh cap, okay, to see if it's something that will work properly with my dome mesh cap. That's the most important. Even though I'm going to return it straight away, because not all machines has the capacity to clamp. It depends the material. Okay, some machines will not go on materials that are stretchy, and why some will. Okay, so I don't know. Now this machine is worth about 149 on Amazon. 149. As at yesterday, I bought it for 120 because they were on promo for people that are on the Prime. Okay, because I was on Prime. So, and I had the right of, I think, next day delivery, just one day, and then it was shipped to me. Okay, so if it is something I want you to buy, messing with my eyes, I would say yes. Okay, I would recommend, but I cannot recommend if I don't test what I want. It has to work on my mesh cap. Okay, but this video is actually just for review. Okay, so if you want me to do more video as per performance, I will. Just leave it in the comment section. But this is what you'll be getting. But guys, it looks beautiful, right? Yeah, it looks very beautiful. This is a close-up of the machine. Okay, this is a close-up of the machine. This is a close-up of the machine. Over here we have the manual. Okay, then I'm going to take off the manual. Sorry, to cover up. I'm going to take off the manual, so we'll see. And over here we have another. I'm going to take it off, and this is it. Okay, let me not waste my time on this video. I will fix it now. Okay, so this is yeah, I think it's something I would like. Let me test it on my cap, and then I will give my final review. Hopefully I remember to do that video, but if you would leave me a comment, I definitely would remember to do a review on this machine. Okay, but that is actually what it came with. It came with where you can put your thread. Okay, over here you put your bobbin. For those people that love to there's a way we do it in my place. If you want to refill your bobby, where your bobby thread is, okay, the base of your bobby thread, yeah, there's a way we do it to refill it. Okay, but people use this. I also use this sometimes. Okay, and then I put on this place. I put my bobby thread here to fill it, and yeah. Let it not be that this thing works with phone. What am I seeing? I'm seeing a barcode here. I'm seeing a code, a Q code, and let it not be that this is this, I don't know, what those of you who have used this machine, please let me know. Do I need to use phone? I know I will definitely see it in the manual, but it looks like something that you can actually use phone to control as well. And they said it is made in Japan. Made in Japan. Over here we have the switch. Okay, said it's made in Japan. Let's see. Hopefully something I like, and it works on my cap. Most importantly, it can clamp my weft. If it doesn't clamp my weft, then it's a no-no for me. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.